Welcome to Let's Go Paradise. I'm Marzena, and that guy over there with the drone is my boyfriend Adam. And together we are Let's Go Paradise. This channel may be new, but our adventures definitely aren't. We've been traveling the world for years, exploring this magnificent planet, one epic destination at a time. Now we're finally bringing you along for the ride. We're on a mission to discover the most unique, breathtaking, and unforgettable places on Earth, especially tropical destinations, because yes, we are absolutely addicted to the sun. Our travel vlogs are real and unfiltered, no staged perfection. No fake "this is paradise" edits, just honest, authentic travel. The good, the bad, the beautiful, and the messy. If you love exploring the world, getting inspired, and discovering places you've never seen before, even if you've already been there, you are in the right place. Somehow, we always manage to find those hidden gems, secret spots, local-only corners, and how did we even get here locations? And we are not afraid to walk, climb, swim, or crawl there with a camera. Our destinations are stunning, but we show the truth, including the parts influencers don't talk about. Because real travel isn't perfect, and that's exactly what makes it unforgettable. So keep watching, hit subscribe, and share our adventures with your travel-loving friends. You might just discover a place to add to your must-go list, or one to put on your maybe not list for good reason. Along the way, we'll also share why seeing the world means so much to us, the sacrifices that we've made to travel for weeks each year, and maybe even some tips on how you can turn travel into your lifestyle. Ready? Bags packed? Passport in hand? So let's go paradise!